Hello everybody, it's me, Liz Marie, and today I'm going to play with the collaboration between Oden's Eye and Angelica Nyqvist. It's the Hela Palette. This is my first purchase from Oden's Eye, and I have to say I love the color story. I don't own a palette that has colors like this, so I'm very excited to use it, and let's just get right into this beautiful look inspired by Hela from Norse mythology. I love mythology. Okay, let's get into it.
Hey, so as you can see, we are going to be playing with Oden's Eye and Angelica Nyqvist Hela Palette. I love Nordic mythology, and this was like just the perfect, little combination to be my first purchase from Oden's Eye. Starting with my eye base already on, I'm going in with this shade, Ouroboros. I could totally have butchered that name, but yeah, it's the dark green in the palette. It's a very beautiful green at that also, but I'm going with that shade on both eyes on the outer half of my lid, just to get the shape started. And then on the inner half of my eye, I'm going in with Goddess, that bright pink shade, beautiful fuchsia. And yeah, just taking that in. This is kind of going to be like a two-tone look, and I'm going to say right now, it's making me think of watermelon. So this is watermelon eye look for you guys. I'm going back to the outer half of my eyes. I'm going to then blend that out with Underworld. I believe that is the shade I used. Just like a murky kind of green yellow. It has like yellow and green in it, but it's like a murky kind of green, if you know what I mean. Rhymes, got some bars. Yeah, I'm using that to blend the green shade. I'm not going to attempt that name again, and then just like kind of help create the shape I'm going for, which is always pretty similar. All my eye looks are pretty similar, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, moving on, going back to the inner half of my eye, and I'm going to be taking Hela. The shade is named after what this whole palette is about, but it's like a light pink, light strawberry pink, and I'm using that to blend out Goddess. And as I'm blending Underworld over the green shade, I'm going back and forth to just like keep the depth of the green but make sure it's blending out. And I'm going to repeat the process with the pink and take Hela to blend out Goddess, and then once again go back in with Goddess to make sure I'm keeping the brightness of that beautiful pink color. And once I have the pinks and the greens looking the way I want so far, I'm going to take double-sided and just create this halo eye. It's a beautiful shimmer shade. It has green and pink reflex in it, even though it kind of looks white in the pan. It's very pretty, I guess, duochrome? That's considered duochrome, right? Sorry, I am so not knowledgeable on these things. So, beautiful shade. Wish I had gone in with like a glitter glue or like maybe a color base to make it pop more, because also I feel like my lights washed the color out. It's so much more beautiful and shimmery in person, and I just wish the effect was showing in the video, but it's beautiful. And in my inner corner, I'm taking Fluorescence and just getting that going, and we're gonna go for a little intermission, enjoy the music while I do the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back. Ouroboros. Probably, like, I'm still saying that wrong. Like, I want to say it with like a Spanish accent, and that's not Spanish. So, but yeah, besides the point. Going in, repeating what I did on the top to my lower lash line. So I'm first going in with that beautiful dark green. I don't know, I gotta say, at this point I really love the way this look is looking. And I already finished it and I wore it for the day, but I kind of want to recreate it. Then taking Goddess and putting that on the inner half of my lower lash line. Blending it out with Hela. I guess I may have skipped that. I don't know if I saw that or not, but I definitely took Underworld and blended out the green shade. Maybe I haven't done that yet. I'm doing a voiceover right now, and apparently I'm not really paying attention to my video. There we go. Blending. Blending, blending. Blending that green out. And then I attempted to put double-sided on my lower lash line, but I don't think I succeeded that well. Like, it was very slightly there, but glitter glue probably would have helped, or like a good brush. I used a brush. Yes, I did. Helped a little bit, but once again, I'm gonna say this video is not doing this shade justice, and it's so much more beautiful in person. And then just fixing up my inner corner with fluorescence, and I love this shade also. The shimmers in this palette are so gorgeous. They're amazing. So Oden's Eye formula overall so far. This was the first time I used this palette. Very great. Wonderful. Fabulous. And I'm also going to use fluorescence on my brow bone. I just think it tied, you know, the green and the yellow very nicely. And the pink. I just like the contrast with the green, so this whole palette's green and pink for the most part. But I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup, and I'll see you on the flip side. Beautiful spring watermelon. I will make sure to list everything I used in between down below. And yeah, I hope you guys love this look as much as I do.
You guys, I have to say, I had this idea in my head, but it looks so much better on the face. And I really, really love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the eye tutorial. And I will see you in my next video, I hope. Like and subscribe.